Yeah, definitely. A system is the way to go. Step by step, at least maybe a tutorial, or just like, just picture, I don't know, you got a piece of paper and you just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 written on it. And number one just says, okay, research, look into Live Good, see if it's something you can do. I mean, for real. I mean, is it something that looks appealing? If you think it's appealing or interesting, someone else will. All right. Number two, is it affordable? Number three, do I believe I can do it? Because I can make time to work Live Good. I have $50 to join and be an affiliate. But do I honestly believe I can do this with proper training, watching some videos, maybe joining a crazy guy like myself? I really believe you can. I really do. And I know you can. If you're watching me right now on a cell phone or a laptop, and you've got just a couple brain cells up there just hanging out, having a good old time, I know you can do this. I know you can. Okay? I want you to go to joincory.com, and I want you to go to workwithcory.com. Okay? Both those links are right below the video. Click them. Watch both links. That's what I want you to do if you join me. I want you to promote the links that I'm promoting to you. Then I want you to save a couple bucks, $25, to buy 2 domains. All right, I want you to buy something like joincory.com. So if your name's Bob, maybe joinbobnow.com. Workwithbob.com. Something like that. Because I want you to point one of your domain names to the Live Good capture page, and I want the other one to go to the super funnel. Okay? $25 for a couple domains at GoDaddy. You can find them cheaper, but GoDaddy I've been with 30 years. They host 91 websites for me. They kick ass. Okay. So you join for 50. You got $25, let's say, for a couple domain names. Super funnel, I'm going to get you free. All the training and support free. The app that you're going to download on your phone is free. Next thing I'm going to do is ask you to spend $30 a month because I want to get you on a system, totallyawesomeleads.com. I want you to join that program, and you're going to get 1 to 200 fresh emails a day for a month. 1 to 200 a day times 30. The minimum you're going to get for $30 is 3,000 leads. 3,000 fresh emails, all deliverable. If people want to opt out, the company does it for you. If it's a bad email, don't worry about it. The company will refresh and put a good one in. All you got to do every 23 hours, not 24. They stagger it. So every 23 hours, you're going to come up with a real fun email. I'll show you what I use. And you're just going to go ahead and send an email out. And the company does everything for you. There's a countdown timer. So every 23 hours, once that 23 hours is up, you can go ahead and blast out those 1 to 200 you just got, that you just sent. And then the next 1 to 200 that you get, you can blast those out as well. So day 1, 100. Day 2, you can send out 200. Day 3, 300, 400. Okay, I've been doing this 4 months. Right now, I got about 14,000 leads with this company. You can export them and put them right onto your home computer and use them anytime you want with another autoresponder, or if you want to do it one at a time. I hate autoresponders, but I'll show you what I do. I make it simple. And no one can't stand autoresponders more than me. I can't stand email campaigns. It's just boring, that's why. I can do it. Aweber, GetResponse, System, you guys have heard of all these companies, and they're all good. But I can't stand them. All right? So, I don't like liver either, but I love chocolate. Okay? I make my email campaigns like chocolate. Simple, yummy, good. Okay? So, for $100, I want you to get a couple domain names. I want you to join Live Good, and I'm going to get you at least 3,000 leads a month coming in or more. Then I'm going to tell you and show you through live Zooms, video training, YouTube videos. Even if you have to text me, I'll give you advice as fast as I can. If you value my advice or just what I've learned over the last 8 months, I'll definitely share it with you. If you're on my downline, hell yeah. Because if you make money, I make money. And if I make a lot of money and it spills over into you, good. We have both of our interests at heart, right? Peace, love. You want to get a piece of that love and vice versa. Okay? So let's get a system going. I believe in a nice, simple system. That's what I show everybody that joins me. I show them a system that I do. It's a technique. It's just notes going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step by step. This is what I do to start Live Good. These are a couple things that I join that's cheap, and it seems to work. That's the best I can do. The 1st of December 2023, as our 1-year birthday comes up December 13th, and I've been in this company 8 months. I've been able to get about 30 to 45 people to join per month. You can see right here, this is live. All right, let's see, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh, whoop, I didn't refresh yet. Oh, let's see, where am I? Okay, there, look, I have 12 people that have signed up just in the last couple days. All right, I'll probably have a couple people sign up today and tomorrow. The weekend, I always do. So, gosh, if you can get results, even half of what I'm getting, and I know I have a head start, and I do have a lot of YouTube videos, but you know what? When everybody else has been promoting Live Good and doing the best they can on Facebook, TikTok, maybe buying leads, maybe doing email campaigns, I love YouTube, all right? But somehow I'm able to get leads every day from people just wanting to either improve their lives and take some really nice products, buy them for wholesale by paying $10 a month, or they just want to make some really nice change, maybe $100, maybe spend $10 a month to be a member and make $100. There's the cell phone bill. Maybe that's it provides lunch money for your kids. But you know what? If you can make $100 a month just by posting and having fun, like I'm going to show you, that 100 can go to 200 a month, 300 a month, 300 a week. Because this company, in my opinion, is really easy to duplicate. Because if you're even interested watching, maybe you're in Live Good already, but if I can show you the techniques that I do, and they're simple. My attention span is 0. It's like a goldfish. You know, a goldfish only has a memory up to 5 seconds. That's why when they swim around in water in a tiny bowl, they don't get bored and get pissed off and flip you off going, God dang it, get me out of this bowl and put me into an aquarium. At least I can get eaten by a shark or Jaws. But my attention span, if you guys really knew me, oh my God, if I'm bored, oh, I'm out of there. Please don't bore me. Oh, one thing, boy, if someone bores me, boy, I'll do everything I can to lie and get out of that conversation and move on to the next subject. But when it comes down to techniques on how to promote Live Good, I'm the same way. But if I'm having fun, posting every day like this, and my techniques or advice is at least getting people to duplicate and get more people to pre-enroll or to join, and then they make, let's say, $50 a month, that turns into $100. How that starts combining is by the people that sign up underneath you, they get it. They're like, God, you know, why am I making Live Good so complicated? I just say, guys, watch the video. Hey, take care, man. You know what? Systems, potions, lotions, this Cory guy, what does he know? Well, I just know that I'm signing 30 to 45 people up per month. All right. And I have no doubt that I'll be into diamond status one day. All right. That pays usually around 10 to 15 grand a month. All right, and I should be there, I think, by January, February. That's just a couple months down the road. And I can't stand MLM. I have 0 experience. If you knew my background, I can't stand online network marketing because it's boring. I can't do it because it bores the shit out of me. But Live Good doesn't. I have the freedom to do video. I don't have to buy products if I don't want. I can help people worldwide. And I can earn money. My God, sign me up. I want to rock. I bought this dang hat just because I feel like rocking and I want to make a statement on a video. Okay, so if you've watched this video this long, just watch both my links below. This is what I do, guys. Hi, I'm Cory. This company, it got my interest back in March, and I dig it. I hope that if you watch these videos, you'll have the same response. Go to joincory.com, workwithcory.com. There are 2 links. Workwithcory.com is the super funnel I'm going to build for you free, and I want you to use. After that, guys, go to livegood.com, check out the products, the FAQ section, and go to the affiliate pay section and just watch the comp plan video of the pretty girl. And guys, if you like what you see, get a hold of me. You got $50, let's get you going. $10 a month after that. But I hope you have an extra 50 because I want to get you those 3,000 email leads per month. And I want you to get a couple domain names. So guys, you got $100. good attitude, and you like to have fun, you want to rock, get a hold of me. Guys, this is what I do every day. I can do it in an email, I can do it in a TikTok, I can do it in a Facebook, which I like the best, and also a little video like this. And you don't have to do videos. I'll do videos for you. You can use my videos. I can make them where they're neutral, where people just watch and go, okay, I think I'm going to watch this. I think I'm going to look into this video. So, but you guys decide. No rush. You take your time. Please look into Live Good. I want you to really believe in it. And if you sign up in my group, I want you to really take the training and all the support I can offer you seriously. And I can have you do the same thing for your downline. I want you to offer the same training and support that I'm going to give you. And I mean it. You're going to get that for free. You're going to give your downline that for free as well. And if you like my techniques and just simple advice, please use it yourself. Okay? Use it for your campaigns. And if you have some good advice for me, let me know. I'm learning every day with this darn business. I want to rock even more.